folks, Todd Dow, and inside of this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to turn $300 into $1,000. This strategy doesn't require you to sell any products. It doesn't require you to make any YouTube videos. It doesn't require you to recruit any people. It doesn't require you to sell anything whatsoever. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the websites that you need to have in place in order to implement this strategy and generate the amount of income that I'm talking about inside this video. As a matter of fact, here's some screenshots of the actual income that was made from utilizing these strategies and the websites that I'm going to be sharing with you inside of this video. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you want to follow along with the case studies, with all of the techniques that I show people on how to make money online, also hit that notification bell so you never miss a video that I actually come out on this channel. Last week I actually deleted 2 videos off of my YouTube channel, and if you were there, if you got the notifications, then you've seen the videos that I posted on this YouTube channel. In addition to that, guys, listen, if you hit that like button, guys, that helps me to reach more people just like you, to teach them different ways to make money online. I have several different ways of making money online on this channel, and it allows them to see every single one of them so they can choose for themselves to see which one actually suits them in their lifestyle and how they actually want to make money online. So the word of the day is 100. All you got to do is comment 100 right below this video, and every single Friday I'm giving away my e-com course or my YouTube course that I'm actually coming out with in the future. And so you're gonna have first access to all of those products as I release them here on this YouTube channel, okay? So any course that I come out with every Friday, I'm actually giving away to individuals who just comment on the YouTube video. That's all we're doing here. It actually helps me out in this YouTube channel, and at the same time, I'm giving this information for free for you to use and benefit from. As usual, as you guys know, I'm creating this video as I'm out here in Colombia, and I've been out here for the last 2 years, and I've been able to survive off of my affiliate commissions and different things that I've been promoting online, okay? And so with that being said, if this is the type of lifestyle that you would like to have, where you could just travel the world, live anywhere you want, and actually generate income just from your laptop or your cell phone. This technique that I'm sharing with you today, you can actually utilize through your cell phone. So you don't need a computer in order to access everything that I'm going to be sharing with you, the websites that I'm using, and how you're able to generate or implement or replicate the process that I'm creating inside of this video. I have several friends that are using this technique to actually make money online, and it is trading. Some of you don't know, but there's a Forex market where you can trade different types of currencies. You can trade USD, you can trade JPY, which is Japanese yen. You can trade Canadian, you can trade any currency that you can even think of on this platform. But most people who go into trading lose a lot of money because they don't have a mentor, they don't have a platform, they don't have somewhere where they can actually plug in and understand exactly what they're doing whenever they trade, so they don't make as many mistakes and they mitigate the risk of actually trading with their business. So the first website that I want you guys to understand and use is TradingView. TradingView is something that I've been using with a friend of mine, and a few of other friends that I know of use this platform to understand where they need to go make their entries and their trades with this platform, okay? So it's a very clear, up-to-date, new school way of trading using the TradingView. A lot of you probably know of MT4 or other platforms that you use to actually trade, but this is the one that we use in order to see our trades, and then we actually execute on our phones using the MT4 app that you can install onto your phone. So coupled with TradingView, you need to install the MT4 app on your phone, which is also free as well in order for you to use. So TradingView has a free trial for you to be able to use, and I definitely suggest going over to TradingView. It should be a link in the description of this YouTube video for you to go ahead and start your free trial with TradingView. So the second website that you need to be aware of is called Epic. Epic is a trading platform that allows you to understand how to trade. They have traders that consistently win, and are teaching people how to trade consistently every single day. And all you got to do is plug into the group and follow along what they're saying. Sometimes they give you signals, but more importantly, if you learn how to trade, you won't have to take signals from other individuals who are experts in the field, okay? So that's the whole point of it, is to use these 2 websites. One, okay, to have the tools to start trading. Number 2, to be plugged into a group where they are trading, and they are professionals, experts that can give you signals, but at the same time can teach you how to build out your trading plans and how to actually trade whenever you want to, okay? And so it's really up to you how you want to create that trading plan. Maybe you're working night shift and you want to trade during the day. You can utilize a strategy or a plan to do that, okay? And if you're spending about an hour, maybe 2 hours a day trading, this can benefit you in the long run by implementing the strategy and then learning how to trade over time. You can start to compound your money that you have already sitting in the bank. Most of us who have businesses or work for a living, we save money, right? And if that money's just sitting in the bank, you're not making any money off of that money sitting in the bank. So the best thing for you to do is to invest. Invest into something that can help you to compound your money, that doesn't require you to recruit people, that doesn't require you to make sales, sell affiliate products, make YouTube videos. All you have to do is plug in whatever amount of money that you want to put into your trading account, and then start compounding that amount by following the techniques, the strategies, and the signals from the group of experts within Epic. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna hop into my computer where I'm gonna share with you a trading plan so you understand the compound effect of what could happen if you plug into these two websites and start implementing the strategy right now today. Okay, this is something that you can start and get started in the next 24 hours and start actually generating income, okay? This is not like everything else where you have to wait until traffic hits, you have to wait until your Facebook ads start to convert, you have to wait until you get YouTube videos that are converting or going viral in order to start making money. This is something that you can plug into right now, put some money into your trading account, start trading and start earning the second that you start placing a trade, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna hop on over into my computer where I'm gonna show you the plan. I'm gonna give you some more techniques behind that, and then we're gonna close out this video. All right, so we're inside of my computer. I just wanted to show you guys this trading plan real quick. This is a 30 pips in profit trading plan. Don't worry if you don't understand what pips are. You'll learn about those whenever you get inside of the classes. And I said starting off with $100, okay? This is a plan starting off with $100. And so when I titled this video $300, it's really just to start your entire business, okay? And so you're gonna be starting your trading account with $100, but you also need to join the classes in order to learn how to trade, to implement the strategies and make money by trading. So whenever you look at the strategy starting off at $100, you could end up in profit $614,000 just by utilizing this trading plan, okay? Now, I've actually ran this same trading plan. I got up to about 1,000. Actually, I got up to 5,000, but I ended up losing quite a bit because I got greedy. Whenever you're in these classes, you have to understand, you have to have patience, and you can't be greedy with the strategy. It does work. Don't think about making money overnight or being rich overnight. Think about this as a learning experience and that you're trading to learn a skill that you can continue to use and will never die, because we always have currencies that we can trade over the several years. Even if they don't have cash anymore, we can definitely in the future they'll have something else. It might be digital coins, whatever it is. There's always a way to be able to trade. So this strategy and whatever you're implementing with this can actually help you to compound the money that you're actually using to build up your trading account. So if you see over here to the left-hand side, you see weeks. This is every single week. This is how many weeks it would take to get to this amount if you follow this trading plan and if you implemented this every single day, okay? And so when you look at this top line here, every single movement is worth $1, okay? Every single movement is worth $1, which is why you gain $30 in income here. And at the end of the goal of the week number one is to make $150 in profit, but in overall you would make $250, okay? So hopefully you're following along with me here. Second week, you're going into the second week, assuming that you didn't pull out any money of your trading account. $250 would be the start. You'd double the money that you'd make from the previous week. You would end with $300, but in essence, in your trading account total, you would have $550 in that account. Now, to get to your $1,000, this would take a week. If you're following this trading plan, it would take 3 weeks in order to get here. So you start your third week with $550, but then you gain $150 $120, but at the end of the week you would gain $600 in profit from that. So almost $100 a day in profit by week number 3, and at the end balance you would have your $1,150 in your trading account. At this time where you see it says withdraw, you're going to withdraw $575, and you're going to leave the other $575, and you're going to continue to compound that for another 4 weeks. So once you reach week number 7, which is where I was at, where I was getting ready to pull out, I got greedy, like I said again, I got knocked right back down to 3 weeks. So when you're doing this trading, when you're trading in your account, you want to pull out every once in a while so that you have those profits in your pocket no matter what. Don't be like me and leave it in there and try to get greedy to compound this even faster. Pull out your money whenever you make the profits at the levels of the trading plan, and you'll be golden. So that's exactly how it works with the trading plan. It's nothing other than that. The other things that you need to learn is just the little things like, what is a pip? What is profit? What is moving averages? How do you set up a trading plan for yourself? Because this trading plan may not work for you. You may want to throw $200 in here and start from there. That can help you to start from week number 2. But like I said, I highly recommend starting at a lower amount, especially since you're new to this game. And I want to give you guys a disclaimer here. I'm not claiming that you're going to be able to make $1 million a month with this strategy or make $600,000 a month with this strategy, guys. That's not what this is about. This is about learning a skill that can help you to create little bits or compound a little bit of your money so that you're not just having this money sitting in the bank, that is actually compounding with something, using small risks in order to build up your accounts and make money off the money that's already there in your bank accounts right now. So if you got $100, if you have $300 sitting in the bank right now, think about how long it would take in order to compound that up into this amount if you're just running off of interest. It would take forever. Probably not even this lifetime you'll be able to create this amount of money by having that money just sitting in the bank. So you might as well do something with it, right? Take a portion of it and put it into your trading account. Take a portion of it and invest into education to learn how to trade just like the big dogs do, right? And so anyways, with all of that being said, folks, the link to Epic is in the description of this YouTube video. The link to TradingView is in the description of the YouTube video. Get started today, get into classes, get plugged in, get the signals, get everything you need to do to learn to start implementing this within 24 to 48 hours. You guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.